Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser can update their profile. To do so, we need to navigate towards this profile from the side menu bar and it will take us to the profile page. Over here, you can update your profile where you can update such as your personal information. That could be your first name, the last name, the email address, phone number, or the office phone. So if you click on and you change the email address, so it will log out you from the system and redirect you to the login page. And if you want to update your address, you can update it from here by adding in the details. And for the company and business, you can't change the company name or the tax ID number. You can add the business type. You can add in the ENO insurance, like details and the ENO expiration date, carrier, upload the ENO document, define the years of experience, and then we have to define in the qualifications, the commercial expertise, the types of tools we use for the report. And lastly, we have to update. If you see this license expire, we need to update a license. If you want to add a new state license, we can add it from here. And if you want to upload any of the documents, supporting documents, you can upload it over here. If you want to change your password, you need to type in your current password and then set a new password, and it will redirect you to the login page as you will log out from the system. If you want to add a state license, you can click over here. You can define this state license, license type, license number, that it was first certified, first license, the license expiry date, and the license document uploaded over here, and then click on add license. So if I want to hide the form, I can click on over here, and you can even add in your ENO document over here as well, and all the other documents. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.